Pichu Pichu. Pichu Pichu or Pichu Picchu is an inactive eroded volcano in the Andes of Peru. It is located in the Arequipa Region, Arequipa Province, on the border of Pocsi and Tarucani districts. Pichu Pichu reaches a height of 5,664 meters, 18,583 feet, and is part of Salinas and Aguada Blanca National Reserve. Name. The name possibly stems from Quechua Pikchu pyramid, mountain or prominence with a broad base which ends in sharp peaks. Location. Pichu Pichu, together with Nevado Chacani and El Misti, border the city of Arequipa towards the northeast. These volcanoes are found southwest of the principal Cordillera Occidental in the region. 896. Description. Pichu Pichu is a 10-kilometer long, 6 miles, ridge which drops off steeply on its western side. The volcano features 4 different heavily eroded craters. Pichu Pichu is an extinct volcano. It was active 6.7 million years ago, given the results of potassium-argon dating. Its arcuate shape is the result of a large sector collapse 1 million years ago, which formed the Arequipa volcanic landslide. Pichu Pichu was glaciated in the past, and this glaciation has left recognizable traces on the mountains including cirques, glacial troughs, hanging valleys and moraines. 914 These moraines occur at elevations of 4,500 meters, 14,800 feet, and outwash plains are located beneath them. The removal of the western flank of the volcano was also originally considered to be the result of glacial erosion. A series of hills at the base of Pichu Pichu may be erosion products of moraines or moraines proper associated with the volcano. 910. The climate of the region is relatively dry, with most precipitation falling during the summer months. 896 The Poroto and Polobaya rivers originate at the foot of Pichu Pichu and are tributaries of the Rio Chili. The proposed Inauco-Paltarco reservoir would also draw water from the mountain. Between 3,000 to 3,700 meters, 10,000 to 12,000 feet, elevation, shrub vegetation occurs on Pichu Pichu and the neighboring volcanoes, whereas above the grassline a nototrichous species is found. The mountain was considered to be sacred by the ancient inhabitants of the region. Pichu Pichu is visible from the Wari site at Cerro Baal, and some buildings at that site are constructed in such a way as to point to Pichu Pichu. Processions along the hillside staircase of Cerro Baal would have the mountain in view. Stone structures are also found on Pichu Pichu itself, including a high-altitude staircase that overcomes a steep pitch. Human sacrifices, so-called capacoches, were performed on Pichu Pichu. Mummies were found on the mountain in 1964 along with various archaeological findings, but the findings were not published out of fear to avoid attracting grave robbers. An additional body was found in 1996. Overall, 3 mummies were found on Pichu Pichu. There were probably 2 females and 1 male, all 15 years old.